I'm starting with my hair. My hair is already in a pony and I'm gonna make a donut bun. Let's get started with makeup. Starting with the primer, I use the Scalaba primer. Sorry for the lighting. The Girl Pro foundation, just a little pump, just to cover up the under eye area. Start dabbing in. Lakme Moonlit Highlighter. It's a duo. You can see it's very much loved because it's already hit the pan. So I take it in this angled brush and just start contouring my cheeks a little bit, not a lot. Color bar blush. I am using my Wet n Wild makeup brushes and generously putting the blush because it makes it look very lively. Eyebrows, I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Wiz Brow Artist Genius Kit. It's really good. Flat brush to clean up the edges of my eyebrows because it looks neater. You can also take some concealer along. L'Oreal Maximalist eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna use the second shade. I'm just gonna dab it on my finger and put it all over my lid, and I make sure I put it at least 2 to 3 times because the pigmentation is very bad of this palette and you really have to build up that color, otherwise it won't show. To create a little bit of gradient, I'm gonna use this third shade here in my hand and just put in the outer corners of my lids, very little of it. Angled brush, and I'm gonna take the fourth color, which is this plum wine color, and I'm gonna put it in my lower lash line. Putting eyeshadow in the lower lash lines, you know, it really defines your eyes. Like Miss Claire's felt tip eyeliner. Let's get some wings. Okay, that's good enough. Because if you keep on trying to make two wings look identical, you're gonna end up looking like a panda. So it's better leave it right there. Using the Master Chrome from Maybelline, which is broken because I dropped it. So yeah, putting some highlighter generously. I love highlighters. The highest point of my cheek, bridge of my nose, some of the lips, and very important, on the brow bone of your eyebrows. Never skip highlighting your brow bones because it instantly, you know, lifts up your look and makes you look very fresh. I use two mascara. This is non-waterproof and this is waterproof. The reason being it is very easy to take it off when you're like taking off your makeup. So yeah, I go in with Maybelline Hyper. This is a Hypercore mascara, non-waterproof, and I apply it on both of my lashes, upper and lower. Never skip putting mascara on your lower lash line because trust me, it's a huge difference. And with this one, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Superstay Matte in shade 15 Lover, dusky pink shade of lipstick, and this does stay for a long time. Finishing off with my toner. Quality and AP, very important. Watch with the second hand, very important. The finished look, I'm gonna put on some gel on my hair. For the gel, I use this Gatsby level 2 gel. I just, you know, take some in my hand and just rub it in my palms and directly put it on my hair. Alright guys, so this is it. Wow, look how big my forehead looks in. Alright you guys, this is it. This is the look, and this is peach. We have a lot of recommended makeup look, and this is one of them. I hope this was quick and easy for you guys, and it's really easy to do. It's like my go-to, like my second go-to. The first go-to is the blue smoky eye ones, which you guys see me most of the times. So yeah, and after this we are done. Now time to eat something and see you on board. Bye, thanks for watching.